Hello, Jamie Gibbons here, back with another Tech Tips video. In this video, we're going to look at how to set up a personalized email signature on your iPhone or iPad. So you can get rid of that sent from my iPhone or sent from my iPad message on those devices. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to navigate to the settings on your iPhone or iPad. So simply tap on your settings icon. And then what I want you to do is I want you to scroll down to the mail options. Again, once we're in our mail options, I want you to scroll down almost to the very bottom where you'll see the signature option. Tap on that option there. You'll be presented now with a signature menu. I have multiple accounts on this iPhone, so actually what I'm going to do is if you do have multiple accounts, you may want to set up signatures for each one of those. So you can see there's all the different accounts that I have on my phone, but I'm actually going to do this for all accounts because it's going to be, I still want people to know that I'm sending this from my iPhone because I'm out and about. But what I do want to do is I want to make it a little bit more personalized. So I'm simply going to tap in here. Oops. I'm going to tap in here. Best wishes, Jamie Gibbons. And I'm also going to pop in my website address. Let's get rid of that capitals. And when someone receives this, it should automatically appear as a hyperlink in their email so they can click directly to the website. I'll also put in, for instance, I'm going to put in my Facebook URL in here as well. Oh, helps if you can spell correctly. And that is www.facebook.com/GibboNet UK. And if I wanted to add any other ones, I could just simply type them in here. Once that's done, simply hit the mail button and that will take you back. And you can see there that that's automatically updated there. So now when I go to my messages and type in new, you'll automatically see that that information is stored at the bottom of your email, ready for you to send without having to type all of that in each time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you'd like to see something in a future video, so anything that you might want some help with on your Apple device. And if you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notifications button to be informed about any future videos that we post. Again, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.